Whenever I'm scrolling on YouTube or Instagram, I'm always looking at other content creators' videos, and I'm feeling jealous of their kitchens. And even though the quality of the content production is the same, I just don't feel like my videos look as nice and bright because of my kitchen. It's far away from the windows and the natural light, and my body adds more shadows when I'm facing my kitchen benchtop. Then the white marble on the tabletop and the walls, plus the light brown cabinets, makes all my videos look monochrome. Since I cannot change my kitchen, I thought to myself, what if I just build a fake one? I wanted to go with a nice tiled backdrop, but tiles are very heavy and they require grout to hold it to the walls, so I bought a peel and stick wallpaper instead. I also bought another wallpaper with a concrete and stone effect design for the benchtop. Then I needed something to stick the wallpapers to, so I just bought 2 plywood boards. Now the next step is to build our fake backsplash. So I unrolled the tiled wallpaper, then placed the plywood board on top of it. Using the grid printed on the back, I could cut the wallpaper to the right size. Then I peeled a tiny bit of the wallpaper and stuck the plywood board to it. To prevent any air bubbles to getting trapped, I'm turning the board upside down, then use a scraper to remove those air bubbles by pressing towards the edges. Then I continue to peel the paper off, stick it to the board and scrap any air bubbles, 5 inches at a time. Once finished, I'm turning the board upside down again, cut the paper in the corners, then stick the edges towards the back of the board. After the backsplash, I repeated the exact same steps with the cement wallpaper in order to build the fake benchtop. Alright, so this took a lot more time than I expected, however I'm very happy with the result. This is the tiled backsplash, which is going to be put against the wall. It's looking pretty realistic, although it's not at all real tiles, but it's looking pretty good. Then for the benchtop, we've got our cement and stone design effect, which also looks exactly like I want it. So I think this is going to look very nice. I'm just gonna make some room over there, put those tiles in, and then we can make some comparison shots on camera. I think this is looking pretty dang good, so I'm gonna use it in the future definitely to make some camera shots and pictures. I hope this video was inspirational for you guys who don't have a kitchen that you like. If you want to make the same kind of setup as I've made here, I'll put all the links in the description where you can buy all the materials, and until then I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!